All right, guys. So we just got to another little plaza that we wanted to check out. They say it's the second best chocolate in the world. It's a little restaurant. What I say, restaurant? A little chocolate bar, if you will, right here. So we're gonna just walk over here. As you can see, the name of it, I think it's something chocolate. Not too sure how to pronounce it, but oh look, what is this? What is this? So we're gonna get some of these little chocolate shakes. Super delicious. We just got to the chocolate side of things, and we love our sweets. You know what I'm saying? So, my wife and I decided to actually record it inside the little chocolate mini restaurant, which everything is chocolate. Like I said, it is the second best chocolate in the world. I'm not sure what the hell the first is, but this damn sure may be first in my book. So, my wife, she actually got a brownie with pecans in it. It looks absolutely amazing. Okay. So I'm definitely going to try that because she just made me mad because I ate stuff that was actually on the shelves. So we have white chocolate, well, not really white chocolate, milk chocolate. I'm not sure if they got nuts or anything. As big as it is, I think it does have some type of walnut or pecan or something inside. This is a white chocolate or milk chocolate, just cookie, okay? And hold this for a second. So this right here, and I know this has pecans in it. So this is just milk chocolate with pecans.
Looks like almonds.
Is it almonds? It said pecans on the paper, but just look like almonds. I don't know. But I know one thing, this damn thing is good. It's so damn good that we're gonna wait here an hour and get the frap, the chocolate frap. Oh my god, have to get this. As far as the prices go, I will post the prices as they come up. So let's go ahead and I want to do the brownie first. And so we have 2 spoons on here. That goes. It's like an inside. I don't know if you want to say joke but. Essentially, the first time, not the first time, but I guess the first time I went on a road trip to her undergrad graduation in West Virginia, I was with her family, in particular her father, and I was super, super nervous because I was like, dang, you left me in the car with your father for like 5-6 hours. Super nervous, but went to our graduation, and we went to a restaurant after she graduated. I'm not showing the restaurant because it's in like Nowhereville, West Virginia. But so we was there, and I was super nervous, like I said. And then we had ice cream. I think it was ice cream. Was ice cream?
It was an ice cream with a brownie.
Yeah, it was ice cream with a brownie. And literally, they came out with like we had 2 spoons or whatever. So the running gag or running joke or just the whole thing of our nature. We always had 2 spoons. So every time we have 2 spoons, we always take a picture or things of that nature. So that's why it was super cute that she brought out 2 spoons because we didn't even ask for it, but she brought out 2 spoons because she got me know damn well Preston wants a bite of that. So yeah, that was cute.
Let me just add that he does not share.
No, I don't share. No.
It is very special for me, for someone that absolutely never shared, to break that tradition and actually share dessert with me. So 2 spoons is special because for a non-sharer to a person that wants to eat all of his food,
yeah,
that's special.
Like an adult. I would like to. I'm a big person. I'd be like, hey, you order what you order, and I order.
And I'm like, what did we order today?
But I'm getting better though. I'm getting better as far as like, let me try that. Let me try this. Let me try that. So
yeah.
This is like 20 years in the making. So by the time I'm 60, I'll probably be there. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it. So I'll let you try it first since you ordered that
All right.
first.
I'm excited because brownies are my favorite dessert.
Good. Sure.
Right?
Very delicious. Very delicious. Super moist. And I'm not like even that big of a chocolate fan, to be honest with you. But it is good.
Perfect.
The only thing that can make it better if I had some cold ice cream, like vanilla ice cream or something.
I was thinking the same thing. This would pair very well with ice cream, but I'm not getting ice cream because I am desperately waiting for my chocolate frappe. And it's a lot of sugar, so we're going to share this one dessert.
And you want to try these real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, which one you want to try first?
Let's go for the chocolate bar. Can you break it?
Oh.
All right.
Alright.
It looks like a dark chocolate too, doesn't it? If a Hershey's bar was this good, this is beyond anything I've ever had in my life. This is really good. I mean, this puts the Hershey bar to utter shame.
I mean, nobody's ever claimed Hershey to be, top
People,
notch in the world.
Hershey's got a lot of fans.
So it's been around
But
forever.
if you know the chocolate, you know that Hershey is not a good chocolate.
I was about to say, like, I wish
This
I
is
could
good
soon with some Hershey come on some. I was thinking about you and how much.
El frappé ya está listo.
Oh, yeah. Can we get those frappes?
Con crema. With cream.
No cream. No cream. Okay. So our fraps are almost coming up. In the meantime, I'm gonna try this old cookie. I'm gonna get these out. Like seal. Okay. So. Oh, there's gonna be a mad sign to get a hold. Okay.
You get some?
So, gracias.
Gracias.
Servida.
Look at that thing. This is like chocolate overload. So if you're like a chocolate fan, I don't know if you can taste the camera, but just imagine what the smell is like.
I'm a huge chocolate fan, so this is heaven right now. And we've had this already, so we already know. We've already been here, we've already experienced this, but we wanted to bring it on camera
Oh yeah.
because it was that good. Oh, so delicious.
If you like fraps, this ain't your just put it in Starbucks out of business.
Oh my gosh. It's nothing like it.
Oh my god, so good. Cold.
Just look at the
Chocolate.
the color.
This ain't no damn Wendy's.
This is no Wendy's Frosty. This is no mocha frappe from McDonald's. This has a very unique taste and it is super delicious. We had to wait an hour for this bad boy.
It's definitely worth it.
These are chocolate covered what?
Like a peanut. Yeah, it's just a peanut. Okay. I need you to try the cookie and try this.
Okay.
And I think I have my pick of which one I like the most. But let's see what you think. Okay.
Very delicious. Same as I remember from yesterday. Friday, sorry.
It's pretty good, right?
That is a chocolate Filipino.
Yeah. Or should have been almonds. But, okay. Now, excluding the frap,
Okay.
of all of these 4 snacks, if you had to rate them, what order would you put them in? Now, would you like me to go first or you want to go first?
You can go first.
All right. So first, I would say this damn cookies off the chain. The cookie number 1. I would say 2 would be the I guess it's almonds and chocolate. Then I would say brownie. Then I would say the chocolate covered peanuts.
Okay, I'm shocked.
Okay, which one did you say?
Number 1 is this brownie. Number 2
I
is
guess
the
that's
cookie.
just how you was raised. I don't know.
Number 2 is the cookie. Number 3 is the chocolate bar. And number 4 are the
So we're not that far off. So in my opinion, I think we were spot on with. I mean, at least this being the least favorite, and it's still good. Just the least
It is
favorite
delicious.
out of these 4.
Right.
So your number 1 is that. That's my number
Right.
1.
Okay.
So I mean,
That's my number 2.
It's good, what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying. Like I feel like we're still right on as far as this or that. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Yeah.
I put this as my 3rd, but
And hands down, if this
only
had to be in the running,
that'd be number 1.
this would be number 1.
But the only reason why I put that so low as number 3
Mhm.
is because I want something else different. Like, I mean,
Really?
yeah, I want like milk. I don't know, I'm a big ass kid. You know, it's like eating a peanut butter jelly sandwich with nothing.
No.
Like you need milk with that. Like that's just what it is. And after I don't have milk or ice cream, it kind of throws me off a little bit because it's good, but it's like, man,
It really
I need that. But like this item, you don't need anything. Like this is just a cookie. It's delicious. And obviously, if you add milk, it would just go off the chain. But
Okay.
overall, like I said, a definitely 10 out of 10 experience. Thank you to Eduardo. He actually took us here after we got done with the walking tour.
Yeah.
So we did the walking tour on
He
Friday.
treated everyone
Everybody
to
that was on the tour, he treated
the
them
chocolate frappe.
to their own. So it wasn't
Yeah.
like, oh man, you could, like you 6, get on this one frap and share.
Mhm.
And then he like say he just kicked it with us for probably about 30, 45 minutes after the tour. There was no pressure. He didn't say, hey, I need you guys to do this. Literally, we got done with the tour and he said, hey, if you guys are not busy, we can go over here to the corner and literally come in here and enjoy some chocolate. And I'm so glad we did because like I said, it was optional. But that's one of the things I feel like that's why you have to meet a local. That's why because we don't never know.
Never.
Like literally, you cannot see this restaurant or this chocolate little restaurant from the street. It's
Yeah,
tough.
it's tucked away in a cute little
Like a little
corner.
nook. It's right next
It's
to
a
one
nook,
a
yeah.
restaurant, and the restaurant next door is supposed to be really nice, but we haven't been there yet. Maybe tomorrow or something like that, but definitely we probably would try it. And then I said the cool part is because we're staying at the Fiesta Americana Beretta, it's like maybe a 20-minute walk going south from the hotel. And I'm show you guys some of the hotel if you haven't already seen it in the previous video. Like I said, overall, this is just an amazing experience, and we're going to enjoy the rest of this chocolate. Definitely not going to eat all of it. We'll have to finish off the brownie because that's not in a bag or anything. But I'm going to definitely put all this stuff up and just snack on it throughout the day. And let's travel to Preston. All right. See you.